Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, to my vlog. This is Liza and we'll do another unboxing today. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button below. Okay guys, so if you are into fashions, lifestyle, travel, and foods, please join me. Thank you. And for my new subscriber, thank you guys for subscribing to my vlog. So guys, it shows it's from Amsterdam, Netherlands. So this package came from Amsterdam. I think the one who sold it, or the owner of this one, it's from Amsterdam. So I just get the tracking and everything. So by the way guys, my GOAT yeezy V2 350. Check my previous vlog unboxing last time. I'll check it and it's authentic guys, so don't hesitate to order from GOAT. Even it will come from Hong Kong warehouse, it's authentic guys. Okay, so far it's authentic, because I heard a lot of things about GOAT, but so far it's good. So this one, it came from, I think, Amsterdam, the owner. Okay, so we're going to open guys. Okay, so by the way guys, I'm going to do reviews because I got a lot of authentic bags. I bought so since I use it already guys and I'm really busy, so I'm going to do reviews about my bags. Okay guys, so please subscribe so if you want to see that one. So guys, this one will do unboxing. It's really, the carton is really ruined because they check it here from immigration here. So this is the box and this is the slide. So all the documents, it's attached here. We don't need to check that one, or if you want, so they have the FedEx, so the details, the barcode and everything from FedEx. Yep. And they have this one here and papers here. I don't have paper shredder. Yep. So this one is from commercial invoice. The total is $118 US guys, 118. So non-delivery action, return, whatever, content, order. So by the way guys, I ordered it October 28th. So now it's actually, it arrives 3 days ago, my package, but since I'm busy, I have a lot of clients, so just now I did the unboxing. So this is the papers, documents, everything signed, okay, whatever, 4 papers, and this one, and I have my tax here for $10 tax. Yeah, and my receipt. This is customs document. Okay, so this is the box guys. Okay, I don't know what they did this one, so it's hard guys, but I think the customs break this one. They don't know how to handle the box properly. Anyways, I don't need the box as long as it's authentic. Okay, so this is the slide details. So I'm size 4, US size 4. Okay, and this is what's inside. Okay, so by the way guys, I have already yeezy slide. Okay, the ombre, whatever. So this slide, I got it in StockX, and I don't know what happened to my StockX account. I cannot order with them, so I tried the GOAT guys. That's the reason why I'm on GOAT. So as usual, GOAT sticker like my previous one, the Adidas tag. So inside, so this is what's inside guys. See my box, it's really ruined because since the box, it's ruined here and it's already, I think they put something heavy on the top of it guys. You know, I know the customs here, but good thing it's really hard box. Okay, So, it's from the custom. So as usual, the tag, it's inside. Yep, the size. Okay. And this is what's inside. So this is slide. This is slide resin. Anyways, I'm going to throw the box. So I don't need the box at all. So because I'm going to use this one, guys. So this is slide resin. So each side they have barcode and sizing sticker, and so as the other side. So as the other side, if you can see, guys. So each side they have. You can see that one, guys. So at the back, so this one, they have this one. Okay, so let me check if I have the another one. Yes, they have also, guys. So this is my, it's the same, right, guys? Yeah. So since this one is a little bit bigger, because it's been almost 2 years now. I got it last year. So it's almost 2 years. Early last year I got it, guys. So this is the new one. So let me see and fit it in how it looks like. Yes. So this is the logo for the Adidas, guys. Yep. So guys, and I'm sure this is authentic, guys. 100% sure authentic. Okay? Because it's really the same as my previous one. You can see that one, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you like my unboxing for Yeezy slide, guys. And thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. See you soon, guys. So this is the slide. Yeezy slide. I broke the carton. You know. Thank you, guys.